Welcome back to another video. I am Deanna Janae, if you did not know. And in today's video, we will be doing a twist out on my natural hair. As you can see, my hair has a little shake going on. I did wash my hair today using, what did I use? Shea Moisture's Daily Moisture, I don't remember the name of it, but the one with the coconut. I actually did a video of that on my channel and y'all can check that out. But that's the shampoo and conditioner that I used today, and then I also trimmed my hair while it was kind of damp, and this is how I got this shape that is going on. Hopefully when I do this twist out, I didn't butcher my hair too much with me cutting it while it was wet. The only reason I cut it while it was wet is because I did not want to blow dry my hair and wake my baby up. So anyways, let's get into these products. So my favorite cheap gel is the Softee protein gel. This is super cheap. I do not recommend using a lot of this. This will make your hair white and flake if you use too much. However, I really like how this works in my hair when I'm doing a twist out. Normally I pair that gel with the Softee hair grease, but Walmart was out of it. So today we'll be doing something I have never used. I have never used this before. This is the Blue Magic hair grease, and it is the Indian hemp one. It says it's made with green tea leaves, jojoba, aloe, and safflower. So hopefully this works well in my hair, and I hope that it pairs well with the hair grease as well. Aside of that, I'll be spraying some water in my hair and we're just gonna twist it. Alright, so I have my hair section off. I have 3 sections back here and then this front section. In the front, I do want my hair to kind of be like a bang, so I'm gonna do my twist falling this way. I'm starting in the front because obviously y'all can't see the back of my head, so I'm gonna start in the front. This bottle just has water in it, and we're gonna wet my hair. I'm not gonna like drench it, but I'm gonna wet it pretty nicely. And then I also take the water and just kind of work it into my hair, because the water sometimes just sits on top. I really don't know how big I want to make these twists. I know I don't want to be sitting here all day either. So I'm going to open up my hair grease. It smells really good to me. Oh, and that's how it looks. Alright, so I'm just going to get a little bit on my finger. And the reason why I use hair grease and gel is because I feel like the hair grease I feel like the hair grease kind of softens up the gel cast. Even though I do want a hard hold, well, not hard hold, but a good hold, I still don't want that gel to be really harsh. Okay, and I'm going in with the gel, and we're just gonna twist down. Let me get closer. And I'm not doing anything special with these twists. We're just twisting, taking one around the other. Then when I get to the end, give it a little curl and leave it alone. And I'm gonna do that this whole way through. As you can see, I am parting with my fingers because we don't want any hard sections in the twist. So take hair grease, put that on there, make sure I get the ends real good. And take the gel. Again, making sure I get the ends.
Take a look, Ashley.
And twist. not gonna make this whole video be a voiceover. I'm gonna just kind of talk to y'all. What do I want to talk about? I don't know. We'll just talk about the channel. Right now, I haven't really been focused on my YouTube channel that much. I have a lot of other things going on in my life, as everyone does. But I want to get back into recording and doing different hair videos for y'all. Some styles I really want to do, and we'll put them on the screen so y'all can hold me accountable. I want to do a braid and curl video. I've been seeing those lately. Think those are really cute. I have not mastered Bantu knots yet, and I want to try that. Also, I want to start doing some styled videos. Like, I want to do like a mohawk perm rod set where I like braid the side of my hair into a mohawk. I think that'd be like super cute. It's just a matter of having the energy to want to just get up and do my hair. The reason why I trimmed it today is because I had been having a really hard time combing through my hair. I don't know if y'all can tell how that's trimmed, but I just had really been struggling. I've been walking around here looking nappy headed, going to work any kind of way, and I don't like that. And for me to be a hairstylist, I don't feel comfortable telling somebody, oh yeah, I do hair, yet I walk around and my hair always looking a mess. How do that work? So I really want to do better with that. Yeah, and also I want to keep, you know, long beautiful hair, and there's no way for me to maintain that if I'm not caring for my hair properly. And even if it doesn't be long, I still want it to at least be healthy. So yeah, other things to be on the lookout for, I definitely do want to get back into makeup videos. Besides the makeup videos, I want to do some more chit chats and encouraging videos for all of my girls who struggle with their self-esteem. I myself struggle sometimes, and so I want to at least share with y'all what helps me, or what is helping me get through. And that'll probably be my next video that I do, so be on the lookout for that. Beyond that, I have not planned anything else for my channel. So feel free to leave anything in the comments of what y'all want me to do, or any products y'all want me to try. Oh, product wise, I forgot to mention that I definitely want to try the Dew products. Well, it's not really new, but I've been seeing that people try that, and I'm like, I want to try it. I want to try the Dew. I want to try Miel Organics because I never tried that, and get into some Lotta Body. I really want to find what works for my hair and stick with that combo. The only thing that I can really tell y'all for a fact that I like is hair grease and hair gel mixed together. I wonder how this Blue Magic is going to turn out. I've never used Blue Magic before, ever. I've always used Softee hair grease since I was a child. So yeah, and it's not to say that I won't use the Softee hair grease anymore. They just didn't have any in the store. So that's how I ended up with the Blue Magic. It's like I keep telling myself to make sure I do these twists big enough so I don't be here all day. But every time I section a section off, I section it again into another section. That's how you know I'm a braider. Because I be taking a section that really could be one and making it like 3. But anyways, the definition is gonna be there. Y'all gonna see. Alright y'all, so far with this Blue Magic hair grease, my hair actually feels really good and really soft. Feels honestly the same as when I used the Softee hair grease. The only thing that I do have to say about this particular one is there's like little specks in it, and some of those little specks are actually like kind of hard. I don't think they're gonna show up on my hair, but I feel them on my fingers. So that is my only con so far, but I think I'm so far liking it. Oh, tired y'all, tired. All right, I'm gonna do the back of my hair, come back, show y'all all of the twists, and go from there. All right y'all, so all of the twists are finally done. I have some concerns like with these areas where like my roots are like puffing up and you can see like frizz right here. I kind of don't think it's gonna mess up the look because I will be fluffing the roots and everything once I take them down. But anyways, let's do a 360. Alright, so I will see y'all in the morning with the takedown and the final results. Alright y'all, so it is the next morning and we're going to go ahead and take these down. I will start in the back just so that I don't miss any twists. And I just like to take them, get some out the way. Get close so y'all can see. I don't have any oil, so it's just going to have to be okay. So if I have frizz, I'll just have frizz. Alright, so first one, that's how it is looking. And I might as well go ahead and separate. Then you just kind of separate where it naturally wants to break apart. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and just took loose the back off camera because you know y'all can't really see the back and we gotta go to church. So here we are in the front. And I just take it loose. Let it fall, and then just separate it where it wants to separate. In the front, I try not to separate too much because you really don't want the front of your hair to be super frizzy. You want the front of your hair to be really defined.
Take a look, Ashley.
Alright, so all of them are out now. Now the fun part is making our hair bigger. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take the pick and lift at the roots just like that without disturbing the curls. You want to kind of lift some of your hair up, you could do that so that you can get under here. Lift up. Alright y'all, so that is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And always remember to be beautiful and stay blessed.